Wanted man caught trying to flee to Haiti.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, a man who was wanted for the suspected murder of a United States citizen in St. James was held in Rocky Point, Clarendon on Friday the 14th of May. 21-year-old Sonniman Walker, otherwise called Shortman, was held while attempting to flee the island by boat to Haiti. This according to a Facebook post by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Walker is the main suspect in the killing of a 65-year-old American, Theodore, who was found dead on Wednesday the 4th of March 2020, about 9:45 a.m. in his room at Hotel Gloriana on Godfrey Dyer Boulevard in Montego Bay, St. James. Walling's body was found on the floor with multiple stab wounds. Mr. Walling, who is a retired quality control inspector, was reportedly vacationing in the island when he was murdered. Meanwhile, Walker was recently featured in the JCF's new social media initiative, Wanted Wednesdays, which is geared toward showcasing several men identified as suspects in various crimes across the island.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!